Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I am Alvin. I am very happy to be here today. Hello, how are you? I am fine. And you?
I am trying to see. Are you Alvin, or are you a grammar book with legs?
Hey, I'm just speaking good English.
You're speaking correct English, but you sound like page 1 of a textbook.
Really?
Hello, how are you? I am fine. And you? Nobody talks like that in real life.
Oh no, so I am a walking textbook?
A cute one, yes.
That is not the dream.
Many people listening have the same problem. Your English is not wrong, but it doesn't sound natural. It sounds flat, robot, textbook.
Yes, sometimes people look bored when I talk.
So, today's episode is for you. Today we're talking about stop talking like a textbook, sound natural in English.
I like that. I want to sound like a real person, not a grammar exercise.
We will take classic textbook sentences and make them sound more natural and friendly. We'll talk about greetings, answers, reactions, and how to connect sentences.
Good. Please remove the robot from my mouth.
That's our mission. Before we start, a small, polite request.
Yes, our classic moment.
If you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe to English with Ease.
And please like this video. It really helps us reach more learners.
You can also share this episode with a friend who talks like a grammar book.
Yes, send this to your hello, I am fine, and you, friend.
Thank you so much. Now let's transform your English from textbook to real life. First, important point. Textbook English is not bad. It's good for learning grammar and vocabulary. But in real conversation, people usually speak in a softer, shorter way.
So I don't need to throw my book in the trash.
No, don't attack the book. Just don't sound exactly like it.
Okay.
We will fix 4 big areas. 1, greetings. 2, contractions. 3, reactions. And 4, connecting ideas.
Sounds good.
Let's start with greetings. Hello, how are you? I am fine. And you?
My favorite line.
It's okay, but it sounds very stiff. Let's change it. Imagine we meet in a cafe. Textbook version. Hello, Alvin. How are you?
Hello, Sarah. I am fine, thank you. And you?
Fine, but not natural.
What do people really say?
Here are some common friendly versions. Hey, how's it going? Hi, how are you doing? Hey, what's up? Very casual.
And answers?
Instead of, I am fine, thank you, try, I'm good, thanks. Pretty good. How about you? Not bad. You? I'm okay, just a bit tired.
Let me try. You say, hey, how's it going? Me? Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
Perfect. That sounds friendly and real.
No more, I am fine, thank you. And you?
Only in exams. Next, contractions. Real speech is full of them. Textbook, I am, you are, do not, I will. Natural speech, I'm, you're, don't, I'll. Let's compare. Textbook, I am not sure, I do not know, I will think about it.
Natural?
I'm not sure, I don't know, I'll think about it.
That already sounds more relaxed.
Yes, some very common ones. I'm, your, he's, she's, it's, we're, there, don't, doesn't, didn't, can't, won't, I'll, I'd like.
Let me read a robot sentence and then a human version. Robot. I am very busy. I do not have time. I will call you tomorrow.
And now human?
Me. I'm really busy. I don't have time. I'll call you tomorrow.
Much better. Now, one big problem, many learners react only with, oh, okay.
That was me for a long time.
Let's say someone tells you, I got a new job.
Textbook, Alvin. Oh, Okay, that is good.
Ouch.
Yes, I know.
Natural reactions. Wow, that's great. Congratulations. That's awesome. I'm happy for you.
Example?
Person. I got a new job. You. Wow, that's awesome. Congratulations.
Big difference.
Another situation. Your friend says, I failed my exam.
Textbook, Alvin. Oh no. Okay, that is bad.
Natural. Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. That sucks. Informal. That's really hard. Are you okay?
Let me try. Friend, I failed my exam. Me? Oh no, I'm really sorry. That must feel terrible.
Beautiful. Here's a quick reaction toolbox you can memorize. For good news, that's great. Awesome. Amazing. Nice. I'm happy for you. No way. That's so cool. For bad news, oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. That's tough. That's really sad. I hope it gets better soon.
If I just learn these, my English will sound 50% more human.
Yes. Textbook sentences are often very short. I live in a city. It is big. It is nice.
That was literally my answer once.
We can connect with small words, and, but, so. For example, I live in a big city. It's nice, but it's noisy. I'm tired, so I'll stay home tonight.
Let me upgrade mine. Textbook. I live in a small city. It is quiet. It is nice. Natural. I live in a small city. It's quiet and peaceful.
Excellent. Another example. Textbook Alvin talks about his day.
Today I woke up. I ate breakfast. I went to work. It was good.
Natural Alvin says,
Today I woke up late, so I had a quick breakfast and then I went to work. It was a busy day, but it was good.
much better story. 5. Small talk example. Old versus new Alvin. Let's show the difference between textbook Alvin and real Alvin in a little small talk. Situation. We meet at a party. Round 1. Textbook Alvin. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Alvin. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. What is your name?
I am from Brazil. And you?
I am from the U.S. What do you do?
I am an office worker. And you?
I am a teacher. Awkward silence.
Yes, this is painful.
Round 2. Real Alvin. Hey, I'm Sarah. What's your name?
Hey, I'm Alvin. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. How about you?
I'm from the U.S. Do you live here now?
Yeah, I moved here last year. I work in an office nearby. What about you?
I'm an English teacher. I love podcasts.
Oh, cool. I listen to a lot of podcasts.
That sounds so much more natural.
Yes, same information, different style.
Old opinion versus new opinion. Another textbook area, giving your opinion. Textbook Alvin says,
In my opinion, this movie is very good.
that's okay, but a bit formal. More natural options. I think this movie's really good. I really liked this movie. For me, it was great.
So I can say, I think this restaurant is amazing, instead of, in my opinion, this restaurant is very good.
Exactly. Textbook versus natural. Quickfire. Let's play a quick game. I say the textbook sentence, you say the natural version.
Okay, let's go.
I do not know.
I don't know.
I am very hungry.
I'm really hungry.
I am going to the cinema.
I'm going to the movies.
I do not understand.
I don't understand. Or, sorry, I didn't get that.
I am very happy.
I'm really happy. Or, I'm so happy.
Great. See how fast it becomes natural?
Yes, I like this.
Important warning. One important thing. Natural English does not mean using a lot of slang you don't understand. You don't have to say, yo bro and lit if you are not comfortable.
Thank God.
Just use contractions, simple reactions, soft connectors like and, but, so. That is enough to sound more real.
So I don't need to be cool, I just need to be less robotic.
Exactly. Let's do a quick review. 1. Greetings. Hey, how's it going? Hi, how are you doing? Answers. I'm good, thanks. You? Pretty good. How about you? Not bad, just a bit tired. 2. Contractions. I'm, you're, don't, won't, I'll, I've, I'd like. 3. Reactions. That's great. Awesome. Wow, really? Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds tough. 4. Connecting. I live in a small city. It's quiet and peaceful. I was tired, so I went to bed early.
And most important, don't speak like chapter 1 of a book when you talk to real people.
Exactly. Now we have a task for you.
Yes, your homework.
In the comments, write one textbook sentence and then write the more natural version. For example, textbook, I am fine, thank you. And you? Natural, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Or, textbook, I do not know. Natural, I don't know.
You can choose any situation. Greeting, reaction, opinion, your day.
You can choose any situation. Greeting, reaction, opinion, your day.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to English with Ease.
Click the like button and share this video with a friend whose English is correct but robotic.
In our next episode, we'll show you how to use small talk questions to start a conversation naturally.
Step by step, we're killing the textbook robot.
And building a confident speaker. Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You are doing a great job with your English. Really. Every tiny change makes your English sound more alive.
Remember, you don't need perfect, fancy words. You just need human English.
And now, you have some of that.
We believe in you.
Take care, keep practicing.
And see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.